Hi, ma'am. Dumating na ang treats ni Sophia.
You say thank you.
Oh, come na. This is all for you. Oh, you see? This is all for you.
This is paid by. That is paid by your.
This is a gift from Mama Susan. Come. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Kano?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Garod. Oh, come. Dito. Come na, ah.
Thank you now.
Ay, ang dami namang.
Don't know how to say thank you.
Hindi niya pa nakikita. Wow, ang dami. Wow, what is this? Oh, you wait, at we will open it one by one. Wow, you have pure meat soup. Chicken in soup. Wow.
Wow. Ready, ah?
Then you have catnip chicken.
Wow.
Powder booster.
Wow.
And then you have, wow, bowl booster.
Wow.
Oh. Ilalagay sa pagkain niya kapag ayaw niya yung ulam. Then you have, oy, beef biscuit. Come, you will try na.
Say thank you na.
Say thank you, ah.
Say thank you, ah.
Hmm. It's fine, that's yours. Naa,
Okay.
ba't di mo kainin nga eh?
Okay, ngay. Napakaya niya.
Ha?
Kabain.
Mabait. What else? What else do you have? Uy, may pet sausage.
Oh, ang dami naman.
Tapos, meron kang beef bites. Nala naman.
You show your.
Then you have dental treat. Then last one, meron siyang bag.
Anong bagay?
Mama, tingnan mo. Halika kasi dito kung gaano karami. You want more? You want more? Itong isa, try mo. Come. This is all yours. Hmm. Do you want more? Hmm. Up. Up. You didn't like it? Why?
Ay, mati na kaya?
Or naninibago lang? Kasi marami. That's all yours, baby ko. You have bowl booster, beef biscuit,
Ano na siguro may sabi?
dental chew, pet sausage, beef bites, tapos meron siyang chicken soup, tapos catnip and chicken. All yours. Say thank you. Say Say thank you. Come and say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you.